Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we need to restock some stickers for the shop, and I apologize for the lighting. It's a very cloudy day, so yeah, let's go. Okay guys, I placed an order for new blank mugs to sublimate my designs, and we are going to open together. I've already cut the tape here, so let's see. Let's check if that is the correct one. Oh no, no. I think there has been a mistake with my order. This didn't come like the others. The first ones were completely blank, so I could place my logo at the bottom. But these have the supplier's logo and claim to be a different size, I guess. I'm sad now. I wonder if they allow returns and can send me the correct ones. I have to contact them. I really don't like dealing with these things, you know. Having to complain and reach out to the suppliers. It's so frustrating. Oh well. Let's try to see if we can resolve it. I hope. The mugs that I was talking about with my logo is like this one. I put the, sorry guys, the light. I put I put my logo in here, sublimated. So yeah, this one doesn't work. This one doesn't work, and I'm very sad. Guys, I don't have words. So, my studio is a bit more organized now, but I want to make some changes here, maybe new art prints in the wall or something like that, new decoration, you know. It's a home studio in a rented house, and you know, I can't do everything I would like to do here. I would love to have a larger studio one day, but even it's at home, that's okay for me. I know it's challenging, balance working from home, but because it's very easy to procrastinate, but I'm trying to handle that gradually. Although I have another job during the day that requires me to leave home and go through all the traffic and chaos outside. I don't like it at all. I don't know about you, but I'm not a morning person. I'm terrible at the mornings, unfortunately. So yeah, talking about my shop, the Christmas orders have already finished. I wished I could have filmed that, but I couldn't. I hope to do in the next video, maybe. It was my best year running my shop during the holiday season. I appreciate all the support I have received from you guys. For those who are new to the channel, I hope you enjoy watching and follow my journey here. A bit of a retrospective of this year, as we are about to finish 2023. Yay! It wasn't a super great year for me at all, but I have had worse years, I think. So I hope to continue here, bringing new products for my shop and keep drawing, illustrating, and vlogging for you guys. I enjoyed so much film and editing the videos, so I hope you have a great entry into the new year and wish you all the best. So see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.